Hello and welcome to the Learning Center at East Central College. This presentation will demonstrate how to set up an APA paper in Google Docs. By the end of the presentation, you'll have a template saved that you can use for all of your future APA papers. The first thing that you need to do is to set the font. Here we are going to choose Times New Roman and size 12. Next, we will insert our page number. First, we'll click the Insert, and then on the drop-down menu, we'll hover over Header and Page Number. Then we'll go to Page Number, and we'll click on the first option on the fold-out menu. Next, inside the header, we'll move the cursor to the left side of the number and press Enter. And this will ensure that the page number is in the correct position. Next, to create the running head for the paper, we're going to type a shortened version of the paper's title in all caps. Remember that for APA formatting, the shortened title must be less than 50 characters, including spaces and symbols. We're just going to go ahead and type shortened title. Next, we're going to press the Tab key and then the space bar until the shortened title is left aligned and the page number is right aligned. Next, below the header line, we're going to check the box that says Different First Page. Shortened title and page number will disappear. However, they will appear on the second and subsequent pages of the paper. Next, we're going to reset our font to Times New Roman, size 12. And because it's the first page of the paper, we're going to type the words running head. Running will be capitalized and head will not be capitalized. We'll place a colon after the word head and one space, and then we will retype the shortened title in all caps. Then we're going to type the number 1, and we'll move the cursor to the left side of the number. Next, we're going to press Tab until the cursor is at the 6-inch mark on the ruler. And then we're going to use the space bar until the page number is flush with the right margin. Now we're going to click on the document in order to exit the header. We're going to check our font, make sure it's still Times New Roman 12 point, and we're going to take the opportunity here to set the spacing for our paper. APA requires that papers be double-spaced, and that includes the information on the title page, the body of the paper, and the references page. So first, we'll go to Format, and then we'll hover over Line Spacing, and we'll click on Double. Next, we'll hit Enter 4 times, and we'll center the cursor. Here, we're going to type the complete title of the paper using title case, which means that all of the main words are capitalized. Because this is a template, we'll write complete title of paper. Next, we'll press enter and type our name. And then we'll press enter and type East Central College. And now we've completed all of the information that needs to appear on our cover page. So we'll go ahead and press enter until we get to the top of the second page. Here at the top of the second page, we're going to retype the complete title of the paper. And at this time, we're going to go ahead and put in some headings also. Many papers in APA format utilize at least level 1 headings, and so that's what we'll prepare here. We're going to press enter, and then we're going to click bold. And we're just going to do some basic headings. We're going to write introduction, discussion, and conclusion. And most APA papers will utilize at least these 3 elements, so these are good things to have in our template. Now we're going to press enter until we get to the top of page 3. And here we're going to start our references page. The first thing that we need to do is remove the bold. Now we're going to type the word references. And then we're going to press enter and move the cursor to the left. APA requires that all entries on the references page utilize the hanging indent. And so we're going to go ahead and insert that at this time. In order to create the hanging indent, we'll click on Format, and then we'll go to Align and Indent and hover. And then we'll go down and click on Indentation Options. Under Indentation Options, we see Special, and in the drop-down menu, we'll select Hanging, and then Apply. And this ensures that we have the hanging indent set up for our references page. In order to demonstrate what the hanging indent looks like, I'm going to go ahead and paste in an entry for the references page that I've prepared ahead of time. I'm going to go ahead and paste it without formatting. And then here you can see that this is a complete references page entry for a position statement by the American Nurses Association. In order to make it complete, we're going to highlight the title of the position statement and place it in italics. But here you can see that the hanging indent has been added to this page. So now at the end of this presentation, you have a complete template for an APA paper. what you can do now is you can save this template, and then when you need to write a paper in APA format, you can simply choose File, make a copy. We'll call it APA paper. And then you can type in the complete title of your paper. You can change the shortened title. You can insert your introduction, discussion, and conclusion beneath your subheadings. And you can complete your references page with the research that you're doing. Thank you for visiting us in the Learning Center, and please stop by if you have any additional questions. We look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.